Today we'll walk through servicing the float valve in an HV series boiler blowdown heat recovery unit. Let's dive in. Before servicing the unit, be sure the vent connection is closed off so that steam cannot come back into the flash tank from the DA tank. Also be sure and give the unit ample time to cool down. Once you have done both of these things, you can remove the 6x8 handhole cover and begin. Inside you'll notice two baffles. This will vary depending on how many manifolds the unit has. And next is our float valve. Notice the three nuts keeping it in place. Gary here will loosen each bolt with an 11/16 inch wrench and finish using just his fingers. However, depending on the unit's wear and tear, you may need to wrench the entire way. A socket wrench can help speed up the process. Once done, slide the float valve up and off the 3 threaded rods and carefully remove through the handhole. Notice when the float valve is removed, the large hex nut and 3 threaded rods will remain. Here's a close-up of what Gary just did inside the unit. And since we have it out, let's take a look at the operation of the float valve. This valve is a double-seated type valve, so it will open at both the top and bottom to then drain out of the valve's body. And finally, to reinstall the float ball valve, simply reinsert through the handhole cover and carefully back onto the threaded rods. Tighten down the nuts and you're good to go. And there you have your finished, reinstalled HV series float valve. Simple as that. If you have any questions or inquiries, as always, feel free to email or call us at any time.